Today, we will learn how to change and adjust the EQ on your iPhone. First, open the Equalizer Fx app. From the list of music, select a song and play. Next, tap on the Equalizer button at the bottom right corner. You can either change the EQ from the built-in presets collection, or you can drag the bars to manually adjust EQ. When you're satisfied with the equalizer setting, touch the Save button at the top. Rename the custom preset, then click Save. That's it. You can find your new settings in My Presets section, and use it with any song of your choice. Download the Equalizer Fx app from the given link in the description below.